Hello, today we're going to be doing the rocker arm. So firstly, we can note that the base rectangle is 3.5 units by 2 units. So let's firstly go to AutoCAD, open up a new one. Here we go, open. Alright, we can go to the top view here, get our line tool, do 3.5, turn on F8, 3.5, enter. Oh, I added a slash. Oops, let me fix that. 3.5, enter. Zoom out a bit to fix that. By 2, by 3.5, and then C to close. Alright, we can go to this view. Oh wait, actually let's firstly add the circle, and the circle is a radius of 1. So we double click your cursor. There you go. Get that. Here we can zoom out a bit. Type in 1, enter. Alright, let's clean this up. Right click, trim here. We have to erase that. Enter. Alright, then we're gonna go press pull this. And this is going to be 0.5 up, if I remember correctly. Then we'll go back over here. Let's see. So next, let's make this thing here. So we'll go back here. So that's going to be 1. If we look here, take that off. That'll be 1 in height and 2 in width. So up here, top view, we'll make a line that's 1 by 2 by 1, C to close. Then we'll come up here, select the radius tool. Type in 1, enter. Trim tool, right click, clean that up. Erase tool, enter. Then we'll come back over here, select the press pull tool, and that's going to be 0.5. Let's just check. Yep, 0.5. We'll press pull that 0.5. Then we will come over here, readjust it so it's on the right standing position. Oh, there we go, 90 degrees. Oh, we can clean up this. There. Enter, clean that up. Alright. Then again, we'll have to turn it just one more time. Oh, 270 degrees. Select the move tool. Right here. Select the point here so it meets up right here. Then we can select the copy tool. Enter. Specify base point, do it right here so then it meets in that corner. And then escape. Alright, then we'll notice that there's a circle in between here, and it says there's 3 of these 1 in diameter circles. So we'll just get out here. We'll change the plane to the right. Get a diameter. Shift right, center. Put 1 here. 1. We'll go to the extrude tool. Pull this out an arbitrary amount. Select the add and select button. So select these 2. Enter. And select the thing which we decided to subtract. Click on that. Enter. We've got that done. Now the last thing we need to do is, let's union these all together first. Enter. Is right there. There's a circle. So that's also just 1. And that's off the center of the outer circle. So we'll go to the diameter tool. It's already there for us. Oh, we have to switch planes, sorry, to WCS. 1. We can press pull that. Enter. Add and subtract. Enter. And if you want to check it, you can do conceptual. It's all done. But now we have to do the dimensioning part. So make sure that we're going to want to do the side view. So it's actually probably best if we change this, because the current view is just going to be the back, and that's not a good view to start off on the side. So we'll take this tool, and we're going to rotate that this way, like such. Ooh, and that's good. We get to see, we need to clean that up. Yeah, it's when you're using press pull, it leaves that behind. Alright, we'll go to layout 1. We'll select this. Press the delete key on your keyboard. Then we'll go to layout. We'll go to base from model space. Let it load. It does this when it's first starting up. Ooh, it takes longer for some. There we go. Alright, so this is our first view. Enter. Second view. Third view. And this view. Enter. Alright, I think we can actually scale this up. It automatically scaled it down, but I think we can do... Here, let's try 1:1 scale. I think this... Yeah, 1:1 scale will fit. And I prefer that. Alright, this, though, we can make a 1:2 scale. and put that up in the top right. It doesn't. There, that's fine. Alright. We're not going to worry about that too much. Alright. Ooh, this one did not. Here, just make sure. Okay. Alright, so now we have to make sure that we know all the measurement sides. So, we'll go to Annotate, and firstly, let's add the center marks. There and there. Then let's go to the center line. So we have and there. Oh, there we go. Center line here and here. Center line here and here. Center line here and here. And the last final center line right here. Oh, actually, there's one more right here. Alright, you'll notice these don't have that nice dash in the middle, so we're going to go to LT scale, enter. We're going to try 0.5. And that worked. Perfect. Now those have those nice little dash. Looks better. Alright. So firstly, let's do all the circle. So in the thing it has this as a diameter. So, oh, sorry. Yep, diameter. So you'll select it. Put it out over here. And we'll say, double click on it. Alright. Click your right arrow key. Space. And just do all capitals, remember. So caps lock is just best. Times 3. We'll actually do through. And then enter times 3, x3. And then press OK. Alright, there's also this outer one, so we'll also, but this one we'll do radius. Select that one and put it just right there. Alright, that's all set right there. So then let's also do this one while we're at it. Actually, well, this one's already labeled times 3 through, so this one also applies to this. But this one we have to mention, so we'll do radius. And there we go. Alright, next we're going to want to do the length. This is most prevalent on this side, so we're going to do linear. Select this point to this point, and put it right there. We'll also want to do the width, so linear to this point, and put it right there. Alright, another thing is the thickness, which is most prevalent on this side, so we'll do linear here to here, and there we go. What's some other information we'll want to add? We want to add the point to here, I think. That would be, well, we'll actually do it from here to here. Let's look at the drawing for reference. Ooh, that's good. We need to add what this width is. So linear, and we clear that this is 0.5. Other things that we can add. I think this is actually pretty good. Well, thank you for watching, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Oh, and one other thing you want to do is save. I'm going to save it as the rocker arm. Whoops, turn off cap locks. Rocker arm. Save. Make sure you save that. Then you're going to go to plot. Extents. Center the plot. DWG to PDF. Preview. You're going to have that. Make sure to plot it. Save. And that looks how you want it. You're all set. Thanks for watching.